What's going on out there, y'all? We're gonna do a quick video today, a little seatbelt hack. As you can see right here, my seatbelt's not plugged in. You see our seatbelt light is on. Whenever I start the car, when I get to ride, it'll be a loud, annoying beeping noise if you don't have the seatbelt on. Like, say if you just want to go down the street and right back, or just like want to move your car around the yard if you wash your car or something, you always get the loud beeping noise going on. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that today. Easy. First thing we're gonna do is just gonna take apart this seatbelt buckle right here. It's real easy. Just 2 bolts right there. Like you can see what kind of bolts mine's are. Mine's are like the star bits. I have the bits to fit in those, about to take them 2 bolts out. All right, got these 2 bolts out. This part right here comes off just like that. Got the front off, and then the back, you just pull it up, and the back comes off just like that. It's pretty easy. Now I'm gonna show you a demonstration of how this works. When you push your seatbelt in here, the seatbelt goes in here, and there's a little sensor right down the side of it. When you push down, it closes this sensor right here. So all we have to do is tape this sensor closed. Which I got some duct tape right here. You can duct tape anything I got. Just gonna tape this sensor closed. And that's the sensor that's right here on the side. Most of y'all will have this. This little flip right there. Just tape that, connect it closed. Should fix it. Let's test it out. All right, this is good to go. I want to show you what the finished product look like. All they would just tape it closed. And there's a lot of other videos showing you that you could just like cut the wire down there or something like that. But I didn't want to do it like that just in case I got rid of this car, just in case I sold it. It's easy for me just to undo this. If you cut the wire, you can't undo that. You have to solder the wires back together. But here, this is just a quick fix for now. Just tape it up. Then I'm gonna put the assembly back together. We're gonna test it out, see what we got. All right, we got it back together now. Let's see if it works or not. As you can see, no seatbelt light is on. Nice, so there you have it, y'all. There it is, just a quick fix, quick video, man. The only thing I used for this video was this bolt head right here. It's for this right here, I had the special bolts on mine, the star with the hole in the middle. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, it's a whole set of them right here. These are the bolts that I had to use. This is the bolt heads that I had to use right here. Wasn't too bad. That was the only thing I used though. Took out 2 bolts, duct tape, got the job done. All right, thank y'all for tuning in, man. Catch y'all on the next video. Go on.